Understand the concept of an empirical formula. The empirical formula represents the simplest whole number ratio of the atoms of each element present in a compound. To find this ratio, we must first convert the given masses of sulfur and fluorine into moles. Identify the molar masses of the elements. Using the periodic table, the molar mass of sulfur, S, is approximately 32.06 grams per mole, commonly rounded to 32.1 grams per mole on AP exams. The molar mass of fluorine, F, is approximately 19.00 grams per mole. Calculate the moles of each element in the sample. Moles of S. NS equals 3.21 grams over 32.06 grams per mole, approximately 0.100 moles. Moles of F. NF equals 11.4 grams over 19.00 grams per mole equals 0.600 moles. Determine the simplest whole number ratio. Divide the number of moles of each element by the smallest number of moles calculated, 0.100 moles S. 0.100 over 0.100 is equal to 1F. 0.600 over 0.100 is equal to 6. Formulate the empirical formula. The mole ratio is 1 sulfur atom to 6 fluorine atoms, which gives the empirical formula SF6. This matches option E. The correct answer is option E, SF6.